Here are 3 secrets to understanding your credit score. Secret number 1, did you know that 35% of your credit score is made up from your payment history? So always pay your bills on time. Hi, Christy Milligan with Coldwell Banker. Secret number 2, 30% of your score is made up from the capacity of credit used. The credit agencies really don't want to see more than 30% of a credit used. So if you have a credit card with a $5,000 limit, they don't want to see more than $1,500 used. And secret number 3 is 10% of your score comes from past applications and inquiries. So be mindful that 75% of your score comes from just those 3 things: your payment history, your capacity of credit used, and your past applications and inquiries. So to maximize your score, always pay your bills on time, keep your capacity used as close to or under 30%, and keep your inquiries low on your credit. For more detailed information about your credit score and how to maximize it, click the link below. This is Christy Milligan with Coldwell Banker. Make it a great day.